Family Health Matters, presented by IHP Medical Group. Families looking for guidance on supporting children with autism will soon have a valuable resource at their fingertips. A special workshop on applied behavior analysis, or ABA, is set for April 12th at the Blue Ocean Behavioral Health in Tumon, offering parents insight into this evidence-based approach. Applied behavior analysis is widely recognized as the gold standard for autism treatment, helping children improve communication, behavior, and life skills. Now, families have the chance to learn more about how this approach can benefit their child's development. ABA is not a one-size-fits-all therapy. It's a flexible framework that meets each child where they are, helping them build meaningful, functional skills for daily life. The upcoming workshop will guide parents through key principles of ABA, showing how individualized treatment plans are tailored to fit each child's strengths, needs, and cultural values. Andre Bainum is a licensed professional counselor at Blue Ocean Behavioral Health and has been a counselor for 16 years, and he spoke a little as to who would benefit from attending the workshop.
The workshop is about autism, and it's applied behavioral analysis for caregivers, teachers, parents that either know someone or has someone within their family that has autism. And applied behavioral analysis helps the individual caregiver and others within that person's life to help them manage things like triggers, some of the behaviors, and helps them to overall, function to the best of their ability.
A major focus of the workshop will be parent training, teaching families how to use evidence-based strategies in everyday moments, from mealtime to playtime. Organizers say ABA is not about changing who a child is, it's about unlocking potential and fostering connections that allow them to access more of the world around them. For those looking for a deeper understanding of autism and related conditions, Dr. Alan Butler, a licensed clinical psychologist also at Blue Ocean Behavioral Health, offers comprehensive psychological evaluations. These assessments help differentiate between autism spectrum disorder and other conditions like ADHD, learning disabilities, or anxiety disorders that may present with similar symptoms.
Sometimes when we look at behavior, we have to be cognizant of the fact that some behaviors are normal due to development and other things, there's the terrible twos, right? So there's certain behaviors that is to be expected. So being able to differentiate between behaviors that, are frequent, intense, and maybe not within the norm, that's when I think we can come into play here at Blue Ocean Behavioral Health. We can provide assessments, guidance, and understanding for what that child may be going through. And then we can provide either therapy for the child or the person, and then help the parents navigate some of the complexities within their home and other areas of their life.
It's important to look at the full picture.
Autism there are specific things that or behaviors that you can notice within a child, usually around the age of 2 or 3, if they're not making eye contact, if they're not really engaging with others. Some other behaviors you notice is like arm flapping, things like that, obsessions about specific items, and not really engaging. Whereas ADHD is more the kind of inability to focus their attention on specific tasks, forgetfulness, behavioral problems, unable to sit still, fidgeting, constant fidgeting. Usually it's noticed within the classroom by the teacher. The teacher will call it out, things like that, and then they're referred to the counselor, and the parents come in and they talk about it. So we can provide assessments for ADHD as well as autism using evidence-based assessments and analysis from our therapists here.
A speech delay or sensory sensitivity doesn't always mean autism. Other factors like hearing issues should also be considered. A thorough evaluation helps ensure children get the right support. For children who are nonverbal or pre-verbal, communication tools like Proloco2Go can be life-changing. This app allows children to express themselves using a customizable, user-friendly interface. Again, the ABA workshop takes place on April 12th, and it's open to all parents at all stages, whether you're just getting started or already receiving services. Attendees will leave with practical tools they can use right away.
Even if you don't have direct contact with a child that may be having behavioral issues due to autism or ADHD, but you'd like to learn about it, I invite those people as well.
For more details, visit ihpmedicalgroup.com/ABA workshop.
That's all for Health, Home, and Lifestyle, everybody. Thank you as always for watching. And remember, you can stream all of our segments on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/KUAM News. I'm Jason Salas. Stay healthy, Guam.